Welcome to the Java tutorial series. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to download and install OpenJDK 11 on Windows 10. So the OpenJDK 11 is available on the archive section in https://jdk.java.net/archive. So visit here and here you will find the zip version of OpenJDK 11.0.2 and click here. So this is being downloaded now, and what we can do is we can cut this file and go to C, and here I am going to create a new directory, JDK, and under the JDK directory I am going to paste this file. So we have to archive here. So now it is extracting. So it has been extracted successfully. So our directory is this. So this is going to be our Java home. So this directory jdk/jdk 11.02 is going to be our Java home directory, and under bin we can find all the executables. So you copy this path. Now go to here, system, so you can edit environment variables, and under the system variable create new Java_home and paste this path. Okay, now find the bin path variable. So select the path variable and click edit. Under this we will add the %java home / bin in the system path. So this is the configuration you have to do. Now click OK. Now the OpenJDK is installed. We can go to CMD and type Java-version. So it is saying Java is OpenJDK version 11.0.2. So this way you can install the OpenJDK on Windows 10. So this way you can install OpenJDK 11.02 on your Windows 10 machine. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and you can visit our website, and you can visit our website roseindia.net/java, and here we have thousands of tutorials on Java programming language. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.